dear students, welcome back. Today we will see let's revise your season textbook page number 135. First question is write the number names for the following numbers. We'll see first one. The first number is 188. What we have to do here? We have to write the number names for the given number. How will you write the number name? See, what is the number? 188. So, we will write as we are reading 1. What is the place value of 100? 100. What is the next number? 88. Understood? We'll see the second one. 395. What is the number? 395. Write it down. 300. Next number is 95. 395. See the next one. The number is 464. Write down this one. 4. The place value of this 4 is 100. So 400. The next number is 64. 64. See the next number. 273. Write down 200. Next number is 73. 73. Understood? Now next question is write the numbers for the following number names. Write the numbers for the following number names. The first one is 315. 315. Can you write down this number? 300. On the 100th place, which number is there? 300. The next number is 15. How will you write the 15? 1, 5. Not 50. This is 15. 315. Second one. 47. 47. How will you write 47? 47. Just write down 47. Third one is 191. 191. How will you write this? 191. 191. Understood? See the next one. 400. Just write down 400. There is no numbers on tens place and ones place. So we will write just 400. And the last one is 279. 279. How will you write this one? 279. Understood? One, fill the missing numbers in each coach. See, some numbers are given and some blanks are there. We have to fill the numbers. We'll start from here. First number is 591. What we write after 591? 592. Then which number comes? 593. Then 594. Then 595. Then 596. Then 597. And after that 598. See the next one. The number is given 657. What we write before 657? Before 7 what comes? 6. So 656. Then 657. Then 658. Then 659. 600 and after 59 what we write? 60. 660. Then 661 is given. After that 662. Then what we write? 663. Understood? Now see the next question. What comes before? What comes before? See the first one. The numbers are given here. 901 and 902. What comes before 901? What we write before 901? We write 900. Then 901. Then 902 and so on. See the next one. What comes before 598? Can you tell me? We write 590. Before 8 what we write? 7. So 597. See the next one. 323. Which number comes before? See 323. Before that we write 322. See the next one. The number is 676. What we write before 676? 670. Before 6 we write 5. So 675 comes before 676. Understood? Next question. What comes after? First one is the numbers are 826, 827. What we write after 827? 828. See the next one. Numbers are 900, 901. And after that which number comes? 902. Next one. 171. Then 172. Then 173. Next 255. Then 256. Then 257. Understood? See the next one. What comes in between? That means which number comes in between the given number. In the 997 and 999. Which number we write? See, on the ones place, the numbers are here 7 and here 9. Which number is missing here? 8. So next number will, between number will be 998. See the next one. 684 and 685. 686. Between 84 and 86, what we write? 85. So between number will be 685. Next one is 874 and 876. What we write between 74 and 76? 75. That means 875. The next numbers are 352 and 354. What we write in between? The number will be 300 and after 352 we write 353, or before 354 what we write? We write 353. Now see the next one. Fill in the symbol. Have you remember these symbols? This symbol indicates the number is, yes, greater than, less than, or equal to. Now see the first one. The numbers are 448 and the second one is 248. As these are 3-digit numbers, how we compare the numbers? We see first the numbers on 100 place. Which one is greater? 4 is greater or 2 is greater? Yes, 4 is the greater. That means 448 is greater than 248. Then which symbol will come here? This. Understood? See the second one. 717 and the next number is 771. Start comparing from the 100th place. Here the numbers are same. Then what we do next? We'll move to the 10th place. Now see here in 717 on 10th place the number is 1 and in 771 on the 10th place the number is 7. 1 is greater or 7 is greater? 7 is greater. So this 717 is smaller than 771. Then which symbol will come here? This smaller than. 717 is smaller than 771. Now see the next one. The numbers are 800. Here also the number is 800. Then which symbol will come here? Equal to. 800 equal to 800. See the next one. The numbers are 500 and here the number is 510. You can see here 500 is smaller than 510. So which symbol will come here? This smaller than. 500 is smaller than 510. Understood? Solve the following sums. Here see the first one. What we have to do here? Which symbol you see here? The symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition. That means we have to add these numbers. What we have to do here? We have to add the numbers as the symbol is given, that is of addition. Start adding. Now see, while addition we start from the ones place. What are the numbers here? 9 and 3. Which is the big number? 9. Keep in mind which is the next number? 3. Take 3 numbers on fingers. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. How will you write 12? 2 is at ones place, so we will write 2 on the ones place, and 1 which is on tens place will carry over on the tens place. Now add these numbers. The big number is 9. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 9. Keep in mind. And this 2 take on fingers, count after 9, 10, 11. So 1 we will write on the tens place, and the one which is on the tens place, that will carry over on the 100th place. Now count, add these all numbers. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 230 plus 199 is equal to 412. Now see the next one. Here also the symbol is given of addition. That means we have to add these numbers. Start from the ones place. What are the numbers? 0 and 8. We know that when we add any number to the 0, we get answer number itself. That means 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Now see the numbers on tens place. What are the numbers? 8 plus 6. 8 is big number. 6 keep in mind. 8 keep in mind, and 6 take on fingers. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 4 write on the tens place, and 1 will write over the 100th place as carry. Now add these numbers. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So 480 plus 268 is equal to 748. Now see the next one. Here also we can see the symbol of addition. Start addition from the ones place. What are the numbers? 6 plus 6. 1 6 keep in mind. Another 6 take on fingers and start counting after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 2 we will write on the ones place, and 1 carry over on the tens place. Now add these two numbers. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 we will write here, and 1 carry over. Now add these numbers. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. So 576 plus 356 is equal to 932. Understood? Now see the next one. Here we can see the symbol of subtraction. This is the symbol of subtraction. That means we have to do subtraction. We have to subtract 235 from 504. Start subtraction. Start from the ones place. What are the numbers? We have to subtract 5 from 4. Is it possible? As 5 is big number, so we cannot subtract this 5 from the 4. What we will do? We will borrow 110 from the tens place. Now see here on the tens place the number is 0. So how will you borrow 110 from the tens place? So that we will borrow 100 from the 100th place. So this number will become 10, as 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. So here number will become 4. Now we can borrow. Now borrow 110 from the tens place. So the number will be 14, and as we borrowed 110 from the tens place, then 10 will become 9. Now subtract 5 from 14. How will you subtract? Start counting after 5 till we get 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Now see the numbers on tens place. Subtract 3 from 9. You can do on the finger also. Take 9 fingers. How many numbers we have to subtract? 3. So 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. The next numbers, we have to subtract 2 from 4. Take 4 fingers. How many numbers we have to subtract? 2. 1, 2. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Understood? See the next one. We have to subtract 348 from 876. Start from the ones place. See, 8 is big number. So we cannot subtract 8 from 6. What we will do now? We will borrow 110 from the tens place. So this 7 will become 6. As we borrowed 110, so 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Now we can subtract 8 from 16. Start counting after 8 till we get 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now next number we have to subtract 4 from 6. Start counting after 4 till we get 6. 5, 6. How many fingers are here? 1, 2. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now see the next number. 8 minus 3. We have to subtract 3 from 8. Start count after 3 till we get 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count these fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Understood? Now see the next question. Identify the following shapes. Can you identify the shapes? Can you identify first one? Which shape is this? As this is having 4 sides and 4 corners. Which shape is this? And opposite sides of this shape are equal. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Now see the next one. Which shape is having 3 sides and 3 corners? Triangle. Which shape is having no corners, no sides? That is circle. And the next one is the shape which is having 4 sides and 4 corners. This is also having 4 sides and 4 corners. But what is the difference between these two shapes? In this shape, the opposite sides are equal. Only the opposite sides are equal. And it is also having 4 corners and 4 sides. And in the squares, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. These are sides of square. These all sides are equal. And in triangle, only opposite sides are equal. So this is square. Understood? This ninth question is also same. Just you have to join the lines and you have to write down the names of ships. The questions we will see in the next video.